Hey guys, welcome back to our video. So today I'm going to show you how to sell stocks on Robinhood. Okay, so here I am on my individual investing portfolio. I'm just going to scroll on down until I find the stock I want to sell. So I'm going to be selling AVAX here. So I'm going to click there. And once I'm in the stock or crypto, at the very bottom there, you'll see a green button that says trade. So I'm going to click on trade. And then from here, you have a couple options. Since we're going to be selling a stock on Robinhood, I'm going to click on sell. And at this point, I'm going to be selling all. So I could click on this sell all option right there. And then you can see what the price is going to be and then the total amount of credit. And I'm just going to click on submit. And just like that, I've successfully sold a share on Robinhood. Now you'll follow something similar if you're doing a stock sell. So let's say I'm going to sell some shares of Upwork. I'm on Upwork. I'm going to click on trade and then I'm going to click on sell. And then here I'm going to be telling you like how much of the stock I want to sell. As you can see at the top right, I'm under $1. So if I want to sell like $11 of the stock, I would just click on review and then sell. Or at the top right where it says dollars, I could click there and I could tell Robinhood that I want to actually sell in individual shares. So as you can see, I have 1.239 and something shares. So I could click on sell all of Upwork if I want, and then I just have to swipe the screen up. Or I could edit this and say I just want to sell one share of Upwork, and then I click on review, swipe up, and I've successfully sold that share. So if this video helped you out, hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.